Here's a simple Python code, and can you find the correct output of this code? Here, as you can see, we are using AND, OR, and NOT operators. So you can pause the video to think for a moment. So the correct output of this code is false. If you didn't understand this, let me explain. So to understand this expression, you just need to understand the priority of this execution. So first, parenthesis part will be executed first. So 5 is less than 10, which is true, and 10 is less than 5 is false. And same here, we are going to read this. 3 is less than 18, this is true, and here 8 is less than 18, this is true, but then there's not operator here, which means the output will be inverted. So this is true, and the not of true is false. And now let's insert the boolean operators. Here is AND, here's OR, and here is AND again. And now the confusing part is here. Python is going to evaluate the AND part first, which is going to look like this. So true and false means false, or and true and false again means false in AND operator. So false and false means false, which explains the output.